Alright, check it out. So I just got these nice JNC 18-inch wheels. Getting these for the Lexus LS400. So check it out, guys. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing on these. I've never got JNC before. You hear mixed reviews. Yes, I know they're reps. I wasn't going to spend $3,000 for some wheels. These will be alright for what I want them to do. And I think they're pretty nice wheels. Hopefully they last a while. Hopefully I don't bang them on the curb, Alright, so I got my knife. Let's pop these bad boys open and check out the big bad boy. See what we got here, guys. Alright, so let's pop them open, see what we got here. I'm opening them up with you guys for the very first time. So we're looking at it at the same together. But check it out, guys. It actually looks kind of white. And I wasn't expecting that JNC part to be gold. I was expecting a silver one, but not too bad. Check that out. Sick. This is the back one. This is bomb. This is gonna look sick on the Lexus. Got a nice lip. I always wanted these kind of wheels for a Mercedes that I had, but I definitely want to stick these on the Lexus here pretty soon before summertime really cracks off, for the cruising season hits. But yeah, they seem to be pretty nice quality. Let's pop open to this one here. That was the rear one. This is gonna be the front. Back one is 18 by 9.5. Front is 18 by 8.5. So let's pop it open and see what we got here. Make sure they sent us the right ones. But here it is. Look, packaged a little bit different for the white or for the front tire. It's not as wide. It's just got a different lip. Pretty sick though. I like them. I think they're cool wheels. I haven't seen no other Lexus with these on them, so I think it's gonna look pretty nice. Really cool. Eventually what I would like to do is take off that JNC right there, and I'm gonna put a Lexus emblem on there. But check out the lip, nice and clean. No dents, no dings, scratches from the factory. So that's good, I'm happy. And they came quick too, so I got these off of Amazon. So if you're thinking of ordering them, when it says guaranteed delivery, these were guaranteed. They showed up on the same day that they said. Alright, very nice quality, I'm happy. Hopefully, like I said, the finish and everything will last, but it looks very good right now. I'm happy with the way that they are. And like I said, the Lexus is gonna look nice, but these wheels are good quality for what you pay. Like I said, I wasn't willing to pay $3,000, but I think for what you get, it's a fair price, and it is what it is, guys. Yeah, I would definitely recommend getting some if you got the bread. Shell it out and get you some JNCs. They're decent wheels, So that's probably gonna be it for this quick little unboxing video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe so you get to check these out on the car and see how they look, because they will be getting mounted and balanced pretty soon here. Alright, back to the Bat Cave I go, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.